Girl, your ass keep calling. Fuck 'em, we ballin'. I put double G's on ya. I put double C's on ya. I put Louis V on ya. That nigga a scrub. He can take you out. That shit is enough for you.
Hey you guys, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back. This time with a makeup video. I hear y'all dolls. Y'all be coming in my comments. You be on my Snapchat. You be on my Instagram asking and requesting and telling me to do more beauty videos. So this video is basically a really quick and easy how to do a glitter eye. There's no glue involved. There's no glitter adhesive involved. Just 3 steps to this pretty eye. Really easy to do. And if you guys enjoy this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and share. And that's really it. If you want to see how it is that I've created this look, stay tuned. So I don't know what kind of look I'm going for today. I'm actually going to do something sparkly. And I have this glitter, which is like a pretty rosy, brownish maroon color. So that's what I'm going to use. And whenever I do glitter, I just do like a base on my eye. So I'm gonna use this ColourPop color, which is a similar type of color with it. See? It kind of has metallics and everything, so I'm gonna use that. And this is called Super Shock Shadow. So it's really extra. It's gonna be a really easy look. I try to do makeup looks. First of all, I'm not a professional, okay? So when I do my makeup looks, I try to make them easy that anyone can do at home. First thing I'm going to use is my transition color, which I'm gonna take right out of here. This is the Black Radiance contour palette, and y'all know I love this palette. This is the medium to dark. So I already prepped my face. When I say 3 products, I'm really just talking about the eyeshadows, okay? Or what I'm using as eyeshadows. But I already put concealer around my eyebrows. I already put concealer on like a little spot that I had. And I like to put concealer on my actual eyelid as well and blend it the whole thing because I think it helps with your eyebrows popping with the shape. And I also like how it holds my makeup and it keeps my makeup from creasing and it helps my makeup pop. Okay, dolls, so this is the eye that I'm going to show you how I was able to create, and it's very simple. So basically I already prepped my face on my eye. I already have the concealer, which is this concealer pot I use to outline my eyebrows, and it's really thick, so it works great for under eye bags like you can see here. And I simply just put it all in my crease. You can do like a windshield wiper motion and use a light hand. Yeah, I use this as a transition color for everything. Now this palette is only $7. You better get with it, okay? You can get these brushes from Target. I will link everything down below. These were like the gold special edition kind, so I don't think you'll be able to find them in gold, but she always has cute designs. So I have another brush, Sonia Kashuk, and again from Target. I got these in purple. And I'm going to use this ColourPop color. This is called Super Shock Shadow. It's called a Stereo. And I am going to just use my brush to pat it down on my eyelid. So it's like a darker color. This is the same brush I use for the glitter, so that's why you can probably see it. But this shadow has glitter in it already. It has like a really shiny color to it, which is really pretty, but I'm gonna step it up just a little bit with the sparkles. Now I'm not doing a full sparkle eye where basically it looks like eyeshadow, just all sparkles. I'm just adding sparkles to this eye just to give it a little bit of a pop and a little bit of a glam. That's where we are right now. So I don't know how good you can actually see. I need to blend it out. Makeup is all about the blending, y'all. So please, make sure your makeup is blended. The best way you can make sure your makeup is blended is by using that same blending brush that you did your transition color with, getting a little bit more product on the brush, and then literally just lightly blend it out. So that's looking pretty blended to me. What I like to do is to get my loose powder, pull with that, and I just use the other side of that brush that I use when putting on the actual base of my eyeshadow. And I just pat this on, and it basically just really falls wherever. But it stays for the most part, and I think it's so pretty. So now I did the shadow in the crease, I did the shadow on my lid, and now I'm about to do, and I did the glitter, so now I'm about to do my liquid liner, and then I put on my eyelash, and that will be it for the eyes. Then I'll just do my makeup really quick, just to share with you guys how it is that I did this look. And I think I'm gonna start doing this often because, to be real with you, that's like one of the main questions I always get. Whenever I do my haul videos, people wanna know about my makeup. So I figure, why not just go that extra step and record myself doing my makeup so you guys can see exactly what it is that I did. If you like that idea, give me a thumbs up. If y'all is like, Crystal, we not here for the makeup, we only here for the clothes, that's fine too. Leave a comment down below so I know what you guys like, because I do this for you dolls, okay? Okay, so I have the other side of my lash on, I have my eyes done, and next is to finish up my foundation. So that's what I'm going to work on now.
Baby, come back to me. I've been sitting up all night thinking about what I did wrong. Yeah, yeah. So baby, come back. Tell your ex, nigga, leave you alone. He's stuck in the past. He ain't got no cash. I swear that's just bad for you. And this where you need to be. Top floor, the suites. You the beach. Cups for
okay, so that is it. Let me know, what do you think? Again, if you don't already follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. That's it. Again, I'm not really into the beauty posts, but I don't mind dabbling in it for you guys. I mean, I do my makeup anyway, so I might as well do it on camera so you guys can check out how it is that I do it. If you try these looks, please let me know. Leave a comment. Also, if you have any questions about the products that I use, be sure to check the comment box. I will put as many links to the items as I can, and the colors and everything like that. But that's really it, dolls. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.